Right, what's up YouTube? Yeah, boy, Crypto Tone, coming at ya with another video. So, checking out this article here from CoinDesk from the other day. Fidelity. We've been hearing their name a lot. My last video went over this with Novogratz was talking about it on Bloomberg. Fidelity looking to expand digital asset trading beyond Bitcoin and Ether. Now, guys, not only is Fidelity getting in, we got TD Ameritrade, we got owner of the New York Stock Exchange. That could be a big company, right? Using Bakkt. NASDAQ just confirmed that they're going to be doing Bitcoin trading futures. I mean, guys, the writings are on the wall for me, guys. The writings are on the wall. Q1 is going to be looking really, really good, in my opinion. We've been in a 12-month bear trend for the most part, 11-month bear trend for the most part. It's got to end soon, guys. The carnage has to stop. So, Fidelity Investments is looking to expand its institutional crypto asset platform to include trading services for the top 527 currencies by market capitalization. So look at that, guys. We don't even trade this yet, but we're already looking into new stuff. So hopefully we can get it maybe to the top 20, maybe to the top 10. We can start looking at Tron. That would be ideal for me, you know what I'm saying? Revealed today at the Block FS conference in New York, the news came in response to a question from CoinDesk posed to Tom Jessup, head of Fidelity Digital Assets, on what other cryptocurrencies may be added to the platform to be launched next year. Last month, the buy-side giant announced it would be launching a separate company, Fidelity Digital Asset Services, at the time, stating that it would be offering custody and trading services for Bitcoin and Ether, the currencies that power the Ethereum blockchain. So, guys, again, it's like monkey see, monkey do. You know what I mean? You got all these big players getting in. They're like, look, I'm getting in. You want to get in? It's peer pressure. You got it. They have to get in. They're spending millions. They launched a separate company. Think about that for a minute. They launched a separate company called Fidelity Digital Asset Services. Guys, come on. If you don't think this is coming, if you're going to be like Jim Rogers saying that Bitcoin and cryptos are going to zero, I mean, guys, come on. When you start hearing that nonsense, just come to my channel and start watching or reading the real news here, guys. The real deal, fundamental news. Okay, fundamental news. That's what we need to know. We want to know who is getting in. Information is very easy to obtain these days, and leaks come out all the time and things of that nature. This is why crypto thrives, because it's so easy to put out information now, and it's so much easier for guys like myself and you to get information. Last month, the buy-side giants announced it will be launching. Oh, read that already. I think there is demand for the next 4 or 5 in rank of market cap order. So we will be looking at that, he said, because we want to make more money and we're greedy as shit. Duh. Jessup explained that Fidelity is taking a customer-driven approach for now, and that its 13,000 plus institutional clients are interested in Bitcoin and Ether because they make up a large part of the current market cap. 13,000 plus institutional clients. Guys, are you hearing what I'm saying here? I think when it comes to security tokens or tokens that are likely to be deemed securities, we are waiting for that space to develop, he explained. So we got time. We have had some interest, but we don't think it's a groundswell of interest. So our focus is really on the top, call it 5, 7. We don't know. Whatever makes money. You know what I'm saying? Whatever's moving. Before we start building capabilities for the tail. But I think it will come. You know it's going to come because you're the freaking controllers. Fidelity has spent 4 to 5 years of R&D in the space. Wow. And has a long view of crypto asset class and the underlying technology potential, which Jessup compared to the exponential sweep of the internet. He acknowledged that digital assets have not had a great run this year, pointing out that a year prior, the run-up in prices saw Fidelity's charitable crypto donations vehicle garner some $70 million in contributions. It was a great story and a great success I'm sorry, great source of donations. So I wish they would have freaking donated to me, man. It's ridiculous. But guys, come on. Big things happening all over the space. So, big shout out to Wolf of Wall Street, who posted this on Twitter last night. This is from the 20th, but guys, let's talk about it. It's about Bakkt, launch update, and reader facts. So let's get into this real quick. As you guys know, Bakkt is the protocol that's going to be trading Bitcoin futures, actual Bitcoin. They're going to be buying, and they're going to be working with Starbucks, where Starbucks is going to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. So guys, come on here. Come on. As we spin into the U.S. holiday season and towards the end of the year, there's no shortage of progress at Bakkt. Our efforts over the last few weeks have resulted in important new features to support our offering. So I wanted to provide an update on what's in flight. So first, our team is hard at work with customer onboarding and securing regulatory approvals. We're focused on helping participants prepare for our launch, and we appreciate the tremendous collaboration among our clearing firms and customers. So guys, yeah, they're really working on the regulatory approvals. However, I'm not really pleased with them in regards to saying that we're going to launch on the 24th indefinitely. However, then coming back and saying, well, that's pending regulatory approval. I don't really like the BS. It's misleading. On the regulatory front, we continue to work closely with the CFTC as they conduct their thorough review of the Bakkt Bitcoin Daily Futures contract and the Bakkt warehouse. These products represent a critical shift in the evolution of crypto markets towards more accessible, useful, and regulated instruments. The level of collaboration at the exchange, customer, and regulatory levels are unprecedented in terms of engagement and effort in the institutional cryptocurrency markets. We are also fortunate to now have Adam White on board as COO, and we work through our launch and establish our roadmap for the year ahead. So we're going to have to check out that roadmap soon. Given the volume of interest in Bakkt and work required to get all the pieces in place, we will now be targeting, so now they're saying targeting, January 24th, 2019 for our launch to ensure that our participants are ready to trade on day one. As is often true with product launches, there are new processes, risks, and mitigations to test and retest, and in the case of crypto, a new asset class to which these resources are being applied, so it makes sense to adjust our timeline as we work with the industry towards launch. So you know what it kind of sounds like? It sounds like they may be backing this up again. And again, it's a little unfortunate that they mislead, but this is what they do, guys. This is what they do. Second, as we collaborate to help develop this asset class, we are taking opportunities in our startup phase to expand our offering. We'll share more about some of these new features in the coming weeks, but as a start, I'm pleased to announce that we have insurance for Bitcoin in cold storage and are in the process of securing insurance for the warm wallet within Bakkt warehouse architecture. We are focused on every aspect of delivering an institutional grade crypto warehouse solution and believe this is a significant step in the building confidence in this asset class. Finally, some of our best feedback comes in the form of questions, so I wanted to share blah, 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 blah. So guys, we're not going to get into that, but they're working on insurance. I keep saying this is what these banks want. These institutions want insurance. They want to feel all warm and fuzzy inside. They don't want to worry about having to get their crypto keys hacked and all that BS. Just more huge stuff from the big players. Fidelity, Bakkt, TD Ameritrade, the whole nine, guys. So, with that being said, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the next video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up.